flavorful, crunchy, buttery, all of that, y'all. It's all of that. It's all of that, and what you do with this corn is serve it to people who do not like all that cheese and Parmesan cheese on it. And you serve it just like this, but this right here is a dinner corn. It's something different, and you will love it. I love it, and I know you will like it too. So thank you for coming to my channel and getting these wonderful recipes. Sandra, I'm here again with another recipe, and this is an easy recipe, and it's delicious. I know y'all get tired of me saying something delicious, because it be delicious. Okay, what this is corn. Corn on the cob. I make sure it's all even on each side, cut the buck off, and cut the tip off. So what we're going to do is put this in the oven for about 20 minutes in some aluminum foil. We have to prepare it first. What we're going to do is get mayonnaise. Yes, I said mayonnaise. We're going to put mayonnaise all over the corn, just like this corn. This mayonnaise helps steam this corn and make it taste delicious. Yes. It's two processes that we're going to do with this corn, and y'all going to love it. You're going to love it, love it, love it. How to do corn on the cob. This is how I do my corn on the cob, y'all. And it comes out wonderful. And the mayonnaise, oh, something about the mayonnaise just make it taste good. Now, if you don't like mayonnaise, maybe you can get some kind of cream cheese or something, but the mayonnaise is the key to this thing right here. It's the key. The key is this mayonnaise. Make sure the mayonnaise is even. Spread it over the corn, just like that. Make sure it's even. Spread it like this, because that's what you're going to want to have that on there. Let me wash my hands right quick. Wash my hands right quick so I can do the other process. Okay, the other process will be adding your flavors. Adding your flavors to the corn. Now, I always told y'all about something that I like, and it is this Weber Mediterranean spice. I like it. I really do like it. So what I'm going to do is spread it all over the corn, just like this. All over. Just like this. It gives a great taste to it, you know. Just make sure it's all even. I have to use my finger to get it in there like that, y'all. Hands washed. Okay, just spread it all over just like that. Make sure it's spread over all of that mayonnaise. Look like you want it kind of heavy, like, you know. So, let's get it all over. This will be the place of the salt. Just like this. This is a delicious corn, y'all. I promise you, you'll love this corn doing this way. Now, if you can't find a Weber season, just find something that you like with multiple seasons in there, you know, just like that. Make sure this is covered. Okay, next would be the chili powder. Chili powder go on next, all over, just like this. This is delicious, y'all. This is a delicious corn, and you're gonna be glad you got this recipe. Next is gonna be cayenne pepper. The cayenne pepper, just a little, not too much. You don't want to burn anybody's mouth off with it, but I love hot peppercorn. Okay, that's enough of that. Then we'll use some cumin. Yes, we're going to have a little cumin on it. It's not too much, just enough that you have a hint of the taste of the cumin. Just like that. Oh, it smells so good already. And then we're going to use the paprika. Paprika, give it the color. Just like that. Oh, wow. This corn is already making a scene, isn't it, y'all? It's already looking good. Then we're going to use some parsley flakes. Put parsley flakes all over. Let's see. Parsley flakes all over like this. Make it taste good and look good and everything like that, okay? And we'll put this to the side. Then we're going to push this to the side, and we're going to get the aluminum foil sheets. Okay, the aluminum foil sheets, we're going to wrap them up just like an individual. Like that. Fold it. Then we'll do another one. Like that. Ooh. Fold it. Like this. This. And fold. Make sure this is all over. Another one, I'm gonna fold it, snip it up, and fold it, and wrap it up. Just gonna add it to the casserole dish, just like this. In the casserole dish, we're gonna put it in the oven for about 20 minutes on 400. Then we'll be back and tell you the next step of this beautiful corn. One is removed from the broiler, and I'm gonna add some more butter. This is delicious, y'all. This is a great corn to serve for Christmas or Thanksgiving or summer, vacations or whatever. This is a delicious corn to serve. Look at that. Now you cannot go wrong with this corn right here. And you put this out on the last of the menu so it could be hot when it eat into it. Here's one right here I'm going to eat. I'm going to taste it for you.